Good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 16th, 2024. This week, Thursday, is our first monthly client check-in for this year. We will be live in person at Oak Ridge Country Club in Hopkins. If you have questions about the economy, about the stock market, or if you just want to come out for a nice lunch, you can get all the details and RSVP on our website, which is investwithccg.com. We have a few spots left, and we sincerely hope to see you there. Stocks pushed higher last week, led by big tech names and boosted by December inflation reports that were mixed but positive enough to shore up investor confidence in Fed rate cuts this year. With that, I'll roll the intro, and then we'll take a closer look. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. It was a rocky week that ended on a high note. Stocks rallied Monday after the prior week's decline. Tech shares led, with the NASDAQ posting its best day since November 14th. On Tuesday, stocks initially tumbled but recovered most of their losses late in the session. Stocks rallied on Wednesday ahead of inflation news the following two trading days. Stocks fell initially on Thursday in response to a hotter than expected inflation report, reflecting investor concerns about the certainty, timing, and extent of Fed rate cuts later this year. On Friday, the start of earnings season brought mixed results from a handful of major banks. By close, stocks had recovered most of their losses, ending the week with solid gains. The biggest economic news last week was fresh inflation data. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, rose 0.3% in December over the prior month and 3.4% compared with a year prior. That number was higher than the 3.2% increase economists expected and a few ticks elevated from the 3.1% figure in November. Core CPI for December, which excludes volatile food and energy components, rose 3.9%, a slight decrease from November's 4% gain. On Friday, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, which measures inflation by domestic producers, showed a drop of 0.1% for December, possibly suggesting that the CPI's uptick may have been an anomaly. As always, we will continue to keep our finger on the pulse of what's really going on in both the economy and the different investment markets. This week's key economic data that we are watching includes Empire State Manufacturing Index today, Tuesday. Tomorrow, we have a report on retail sales and industrial production. Thursday, we get a look at jobless claims, housing starts, and the petroleum status report. And then on Friday, wrapping up the week, a report on existing home sales. Of course, with SmartMix, we primarily and focus on investing in individual stocks, cutting out the many hidden costs that can be found in today's investment products. Some of those individual stocks that we are watching includes this list that you see right here. I won't read them all off for you, but busy week as earnings season gets underway. If you are new to SmartMix, if you'd like to learn more, you can do so at our website at smartmixportfolios.com. And then lastly, later on today, we will be sending out our full economic update for the week. This update includes more than what I talk about here this morning, including our very popular weekly tax tip. As tax season starts approaching, this is something that you're going to want to pay particular attention to. So if you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe at our website, www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.